Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke here, and I need budgets. And on here we do cash up and budget and paying off for that and mind our business. Not necessarily in them for order. So baby, if that is something that you are into, subscribe, comment, like the video, all of the above, please, okay? And you know, no shade, no tea. Let's check these expenses with me, child, okay? Let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, baby, we are gonna go over week number 3, okay? Oh my god, look at me rhyming and profiling. All right, so I got my sticker, child, and let's go ahead and find out what we did this week, baby. Okay, because baby, y'all, so I was going through my expenses, and baby child, guess who out here being a menace to the pockets? Me. Because I was like, girl, what is you doing? A menace to my pockets. I was like, first of all, do you even care? Do you care? Because this is not giving that you cared. So, baby, and I know this is a day late and $1 short. All of these accounts are short, baby. But, you feel me? But, you feel me? I'm here. Okay, so yeah, let me get my red. Come on now, come on. I don't have too much of these, but let's get it while we live. Okay, so on the 13th, I didn't have to pay nobody. I ain't gotta pay nobody. So this is a no spend day. Y'all, I know what is happening, but I don't see no Spain. Hey man, don't mind me when I say I ain't got no money. No, but y'all, no spend happened on the 13th. It also happened on the 14th and happened on the 15th. Oh, look at God. Only God can do it. Only God can do it, do it. I don't know what is happening, but this is the energy that we got today. So I have a no spend on the 13th, no spend on the 14th. On the 15th, what was I doing? Not spend the dang. So we have a no spend on the 15th. Shoot. Then why, if I have all of these no spend, does my bank account feel like it's not having enough coins in it? Because baby, okay, it just feels you know, a little handled, a little abuse, a little taken out on. I don't, where's my, there we go. Okay, y'all, so let me tell you, I went to my ATM to take out money, and I did not know that if you did an ATM, child, that if you did an inquiry, that they take out your money, and they charged me $1 for ATM inquiry. I said, ain't no way. I'm gonna continue to look on my phone after this, because I can't do this. This is crazy. So that's what happened. Oh, let me zoom in some more. Sorry, I forgot, y'all. Yeah, so that's what happened on the 16th, child. It wasn't even a real bill. All of that for me to have a no spend day just because of ATM inquiry. Are you serious? Like, bruh. It's fine though. It's cool. It's cool. I don't like it, but it's cool. $1, and this is an ATM fee. Okay, there we go. We wrote it. It's in there, and that's it. Let's move over to the 17th, 18th, and the 19th. Right? Yeah, 17th, 18th, and 19th. That's what we need to do. So on the 17th. I spent no money. Oh my god, I spent no money. Yeah, I didn't think I was having this much of a good week. Let me tell y'all the truth. Let me tell y'all the tea, okay? Next week, y'all gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute. Because I feel like there is like 2 things that I ain't account for. Nah, these no spend days, I feel like they tricking me. I feel like they off. I feel like they off, y'all. Like, I feel like they're off by a day or 2. Let me, hold on. All right, y'all, I'm back. I figured it out. So, Okay, I know I had no spend day on the 14th, but that's a lie. Okay, what actually happened was your girl had bought her some Popeyes. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. That I'm loving it. It's McDonald's, but you know what? It still was doing the same thing. Where's my daggone whiteout? See me in hindsight, tangle up with you all night. But you know what? We're gonna use this one. So we're gonna take back. I'm gonna do some take backsies on this. Okay, because I was like, this feels too fake. This feels all wrong. Ooh. Take it back now, y'all. We gotta take it back, y'all. Yeah, we gotta give up the no spend for the 14th. It didn't happen. It didn't happen. Yeah. So we gotta make sure it shows that we didn't do it. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, like I said, on the 14th, your girl bought Popeyes. So, where's my sticker? On the 14th, we bought some Poppy. Yeah, we bought some Poppies, some Popeyes. So, yeah. That's the 14th. And y'all, we ain't been no small. We want a big dog. So, I did Popeyes. And Popeyes was $28.55. Yeah, I was big balling. I know, I was big balling. I was big eating. $28 on some Popeye, on some chicken. Yeah, it was good too. It was good. It was like my only meal for like the day. It was my primary meal for the day. Other than that, I was eating Hungry Mexican. I was eating a cup noodle. But that's my primary food for the day. It was crazy. I still had a no spend day on the 15th. I still had this ATM fee on the 16th. On the 17th, we had a no spend day, which was great. Right. We had a no spend day on the 17th. And then on the 18th, we were spending money. Well, not really. On the 18th, I paid a phone bill. I paid a bill. So I really wasn't spending money. I was paying a bill. I was being responsible on the 18th. So can't really count that against me. You feel me? You can't really do it. You don't do it. So, see me in hindsight, tangle up with you all night. Let me get this last green out of here. Because this shit about to be done in the next 8 bills, child. The next 8 bills and this shit about to be done. This sheet, not this sheet, y'all. This sheet. So that is bills due on the 18th. And I paid my phone bill on the 18th. And that was $55.85. Actually, I already did this up here. It just hit my bank account on the 55th. Girl, ain't no bill on the 18th. You're not even paying anything on the 18th. Let me make sure. Child, I don't got nothing on the 18th but love. This is $0.00. Ain't nothing getting taken out, child. Never mind. My bill was $55.85 for my phone bill. I had already accounted for it right here. So, yeah. No spend. So, the 18th was a no spend day still. So, we is cute. And then we have the 19th, which had all the drama. Well, not really all the drama, but I had one bill. I had one bill on the 19th. Girl, that's it. Yo, I had a bill on the 19th and that was it? Fam. I had a bill on the 19th and that was it. Hold up. I'm trying to make sure because, you know. Wow. I had a bill. So this is no. We ain't gonna look a gift at horse in the mouth. We is gonna take it. We had a bill date on the 19th and that was it. I didn't have. Because all I did was a bill date and a transfer. And that's all that happened on the 19th. Wow. Did not think that. But we'll take it. And that bill was my Canva bill, and that Canva bill was $12.99. Wow. So this technically on the 19th is also, wow. A no spend day. Oh, I ate with this. This week was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. You know, a little shaky, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So yeah, let me back y'all up. I do have a goal of 20 no spend days, so I never. Yeah, I have a goal of 20 no spend days, and right now I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in 2 weeks. 12 in 2 weeks. So I need 8 days out of the next 2 weeks. Baby. 8 out of the next 2 weeks. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. We go. Damn. Yeah. All right. I think we can do it. Okay. So yeah, that is the end of the video, y'all. That is all. I'm a day late and a dollar short, but you know what? I'm not leaving you behind. So this is the week of how I spent my money. What I spent my money on: child, paying a bill, paying an ATM fee I didn't plan for, and then paying for Popeyes. And she been all over. Popeyes been here. Popeyes been here. Popeyes been here. That hoe need to go on somewhere. Okay. Popeyes was there. Go on somewhere. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave a little heart below. Leave a purple heart. Leave a purple heart below. And yeah. So my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't